What if you could turn a single song into a full-scale music video without touching a single piece of editing software? This AI tool does exactly that. It doesn't just generate random clips. It actually plans, designs, and edits your entire music video from start to finish. To test the capabilities of this tool, I gave it a song, and it did not just give me a video back. It built a full storyboard. It designed the characters, handled the entire production pipeline. So this is BeatViz Agent Mode, and honestly, it is insane. Making a music video traditionally is a nightmare. You have to worry about storyboarding, finding footage, hours of tedious syncing, and expensive gear. Even if you use AI, the process is usually fragmented. You are jumping between one tool for images, another for video, and a third one for editing. It is a mess of open tabs and broken workflows. But BeatViz Agent tries to do everything in one single place. It's like having an AI director, an editor, and an animator all living inside one single dashboard. So instead of just being a prompt box where you type something and then pray for best, this is a full production assistant. It follows a professional workflow including project setup, music analysis, style generation, and shot-by-shot planning. So today I'm going to take you through the entire process from an empty project to a finished edited music video, so you can see by yourself if this is the future of content creation. So to start using Beatviz AI, simply just go to Beatviz.ai or simply just click on the link in description and then just sign up, and then you can access this agent page in here. You can directly access this page on beatviz.ai/agent, and here you'll see this prompt box. Now this is not just a typical chat interface. When you start a project, you basically are setting up an actual production environment. You can upload maybe an MP3 file, and then you can even add a Suno link as well. So if you are using Suno AI to generate music for you, you can easily add that link in here as well. So I'm just going to use this particular track. If you don't have your own track or your own music, you can even generate that too in here. So there is this music generation option. You can just go there, click on create, and you can create your music in there. So once you have selected your music, now you can just describe your music video. How exactly do you want it to be? You can even upload your reference images as well if you have a specific vibe in your mind. You can upload photo of your character, and then you can choose your mode. So mode will be pro, I think. Let's just keep it pro, or maybe you can just keep it to standard. Then you can choose your resolution. It will be 16:9. If you want to create it like for TikTok or Instagram, you can create 9:16. So it will give you that portrait resolution. You can also select the lip syncing as well. So basically you got complete control whether you are going to create cinematic widescreen look or a vertical video for TikTok or Reels. So now you can click on this start creating button. Again, you can describe your music video if you want any certain sort of like style or any certain vibe, or you can simply just rely on this tool entirely, because this tool will actually listen to your music. It will understand the entire vibe of the music, and then it will generate the music video out of it. This agent will not directly just like start creating video for you. It will analyze the music in phases, and this is where agent breaks down the structure of your song. Basically it identifies the intro, the drops, the verses, and high energy moment. So let's just click on confirm and create, and now it will start analyzing our song. It basically ensures, as I mentioned earlier, it doesn't just generate visuals randomly. It ensures the pacing of the video matches the heartbeat of your music. It takes the entire process step by step. It acts like basically a music director. You can see it has already created these different sections for our song. It has created this intro section, then verse 1, then chorus, verse 2, chorus and bridge, and then there is instrumental solo and vocal improv, then there is final chorus, then there is this outro. It has even mentioned the BPM as well, which is 88, then key is AI major, and then mood is smooth and sensual. And now it has basically extracted the overall details in here. So now it is basically generating the visuals and styles for this song for all these different sections of the video, and now it is generating these different visual styles. So you can choose among any of these styles, whatever suits your song best. You can even like let AI decide what sort of style works best for your song. So basically it gives you these 6 different options for the visual style. You are not locked into one look. The agent presents several style candidates and different visual directions. So we can just like pick one of these styles. So I think I really like this first one, which is Velvet Night Lounge. So now based on this style, it has created this creative plan, and this creative plan includes a core idea, narrative style, visual tone, story. Basically have different phases, which is beginning, development, and climax. Then there is this visual word that includes character, that includes scenes, that even includes the key elements as well. So again, before generating the final visuals for the video, it has created this detailed creative plan. We know exactly what is the core idea, what is the story, it will be the climax, and what sort of scenes there will be in this song. Now you can say please continue, and basically it will just like continue with this creative plan and start building the storyboard and then visuals for this project. Now it has another question, which is to bring the right energy to your vision, should you focus on a clear protagonist to anchor the narrative? So we can just like keep it atmospheric and scene only experience. So again, you are involved in the entire creation process. This is not going to be random AI slop. You are involved involved in the entire music. You are acting as a director in this entire video creation process, and you are using AI for all of that technical tasks. I can see it has created this short plan as well. So this is the first shot, which will be like 5 seconds long, and then this is the second shot, again 5 seconds long, third shot again like 4 seconds long. So these are total number of shots that it has created, and it will go up to 3 minutes and 19 seconds, which is amazing because the total length of the song that I uploaded is 3 minutes and 19 seconds. So now I can again ask it to please continue. If I wanted to customize anything in here, I could have asked it to customize, but I'm happy with all of the shots, so I can just ask it to continue and then start building visuals based on these shots. Now we have got the shot design for each of these shots. It has created prompt for the video as well. So these are now like detailed prompts to generate these shots. You can change anything at this step if you want, and then you can simply just continue. So I'm going to ask it please continue, and now it will carry on with these details, with these prompts, and then generate visuals for us. So you can see this is the segment 1, which will be for 5 seconds, segment 2 5 seconds. So it is generating the keyframe previews for us. So there you go, you can see it has started creating these images for us, and that's amazing. There are some generations which are failed. I can just like click on that, click on generate images. Now it will generate image for that particular section. So if you face any failure in generation during the generation process, you can simply just like manually ask it to regenerate that particular segment actually. But overall you can see each of these shots are like super detailed, highly realistic. The details about the character as well are really amazing. So once all of these visuals are generated, now you can ask it to proceed. So now it will convert these images into proper videos. So for each of these segments we can have like videos there instead of images. And now you can see based on those visuals, it has already started creating these video clips. So it followed a complete step-by-step approach. It did not like started generating video directly and created some completely and surprised us with the results. We were involved in each and every single step to finalize the whole look and feel of the video, and then we generated, and this way you get to see the video coming together step by step. You're not just waiting for one final result and hoping it is good. You're basically watching the evolution of the project, which gives you a massive amount of control over the final output. So in total it is going to create 40 video clips. So let's just hold on, and of course it is going to take a few minutes. You can see it has already started creating these clips. So let's just wait for it to like create the final results, all of the clip. You can see it has created this clip as well. Perfect. Okay, then we got this clip as well. So before it generated these clips, we already had those reference images that we created initially. So we're not basically being surprised by the results. We already know what to expect. You can see each of these clips are generated based on the reference image that was in here. And just like that, our final music video is ready. So let's just have a look.
You can be my golden sunshine, baby. You can be the one I call mine. Oh, when it's cold at night, you can warm me up. Alright, when it's cold at night, you can warm me up. Alright, we can play under covers. Oh, we can play like lovers. When it's cold at night, you can warm me up. Alright. When it's cold at night, you can warm me up. Alright. Here and now with you, put me down for two. Alright. You can be my golden sunshine. Hey. You can be the one I call mine. Oh. When it's cold at night, you can warm me up. Alright. When I'm empty, you can...
Now here's the big differentiator. Most AI video tools stop at generation. They give you a file and say good luck. But BeatViz has an actual editing mode. You have a full timeline where you can drag and drop clips, trim them, reorder them, and even replace them. If a specific clip is not hitting right, you can generate a new one specifically for that particular slot without starting the whole project over. The heart of the entire experience is the chat control center. The chat is not just for talking, it is how you control the entire engine. Instead of clicking through 20 different menus and buttons, you just tell AI what you you want to change. You can upload new references, you can tell it to regenerate a scene with more energy, maybe switch between different AI models, or even adjust the lip sync settings as well. So basically you are the director and AI is your entire crew. Under the hood there is a task system that manages everything. It turns your ideas into actual production tasks. If a generation fails or needs a retry, you manage those specific jobs without losing your entire project. And this makes the whole experience feel less like a chaotic experiment and more like a professional studio environment. And it gives you more control and significantly less frustration. So to recap the entire workflow, you upload your music, you let AI analyze the structure, choose your style, and build the concept. Then you plan the scenes, you generate the clips, and finish it all off in the timeline editor. And then you can just export your video. This is the first time that an AI tool has actually felt like a full production pipeline. This tool is truly a game changer for musicians who don't have 5-figure budget for a video, or for content creators who need to churn out high quality visuals every week. It saves an incredible amount of time and reduces the number of tools you need to pay for. It is not just about generation, it is about structured creative assistance. Now, to be completely honest, you do have to consider the generation time. High quality AI video is not instant and you will need to manage your credit system wisely. But compared to the weeks it takes to produce a traditional video, this is light years ahead. So just go ahead, give this tool a try. There's a link in description. Simply just click on that and start using this tool right away. If you have any further questions, just leave your comments in the comment section, and I'll see you next video. Bye bye.